Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing my nighttime routine, and it's giving me very much calming, relaxing, and realistic. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. So I'm currently using my Clear Improvement little mask, and this is the charcoal mask. This is what I use all the time. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wind down and hop in the shower, and I'm going to show you all the products that I like to use while I'm in the shower. Okay, so if you haven't seen my shower routine, girl, you're missing out. I'm gonna have a link down below. I showed you all the products that I use in depth, like all the things that I use. So yeah, in this video, I'm just gonna show you all a couple of things. So I love using this exfoliating washcloth. I love using my Dr. Bronner's soap. It is so bomb. And then I'm also using this Clinique. And then once I get out of the shower, I like to use the Aquaphor on my body. This just works really good for my dry skin, and sometimes I have like little eczema flare-outs, so this really does work. And not Bella being a friend, girl, like she's always ruining my vibe. But you all get the gist. So I'm just basically just gonna go ahead and just moisturize my body. Okay, so let's get into it. The skin, okay, period. So I'm going to be using this Dr. Dennis Gross, the Daily Peel. And look at all the dirt that's on here. Like, this is why you need to use an exfoliating right after you wash your face, because you never know what oils are left behind. And I love using this Laneige or Laneige, however you say it, girl. That sleeping mask, that lip sleeping mask is like so bomb. So yeah, after that, I'm going to go ahead and floss my teeth. People, don't forget to floss your teeth. It is so important. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Kiehl's eye cream, and I have been using this faithfully at night, and girl, I can definitely see a difference. So yeah, I actually got all of these products from Sephora. So yeah, hit Sephora up, girl. Check these products out because they are really, really bomb. Okay, girl, I know I just flossed and I just did my mouthwash, but we're going to ignore that, okay? So, yeah, these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using tonight. Tony's, that's my seasoning right there, okay? Like, I love Tony's seasoning. So, yeah, I'm just going to make me some salmon tonight. I'm going to bake it, and I'm also going to have, like, a vegetable and some brown rice on the side. I'm trying to be on my healthy teas, okay? Period. So, we're trying to be healthy, honey. So, this is what I'm going to be having for dinner tonight. And yeah, just keep on watching and see. Let's see the final results. Okay, so the last thing that I like to do is use some oil on my hair, because my hair can get pretty dry during the day, so I just want to make sure that, you know, it's greased up good, girl. We don't want my hair to be real dry. So yeah, this is like perfect for putting it on at night, and I actually got this from Marshall's. And then I love lighting candles at night. It's just like my thing. So this candle is actually from Target, and this is my favorite candle, y'all. It's vanilla birch. It's just so bomb. Like, you need to go get this candle, girl, because it smells so good. I love it so much. So yeah, I'm just gonna light a little candle. I got me some wine, and we about to really wind down, period. And it's a red wine kind of night, so that's what I'm gonna be drinking. Okay, so I like to either read or kind of write down my thoughts at the end of the day. I don't do this all the time, but just for this video, I just want to show you all, you know, I can do it sometimes. So yeah, I've been reading this book, and it's actually a really good, like, self book. I really do like it. So yeah, girl, this is basically what I'm going to be doing before I wind down and lay on the couch. Alright, little mamas, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.